Ideally, course development should never occur in isolation or in a silo, meaning that a subject matter expert who is developing a new course should be collaborating with instructors and course developers who have created other courses in the past or in courses that students will take after they take this course. Why do we do this? What we're doing is trying to support students' transfer of learning, which is their ability to apply the knowledge and the competencies developed in one course or in one context to another course or another context. Let's imagine that your course is right here in the middle of this illustration. As you are thinking about what knowledge and competencies that you're going to be developing in your course, you want to think about what prior experiences they may have had in courses in the same major, as well as courses they may have taken in Gen Ed. How do you know this? You can have conversations with your dean and with other colleagues in your program or with colleagues who work in the Gen Ed program. Furthermore, you want to think about what knowledge and competencies are you developing in your course or are reinforcing from previous courses that students will then be asked to use again in future courses. And on top of that, when they get to capstone or clinical practice or their final project for their program, what are those instructors going to be expecting in terms of their knowledge and competencies that they should be able to apply by this point independently? So have conversations with your dean and with your colleagues who teach previous courses or future courses in the program and ask them about what types of knowledge and competencies they're also focusing on that can be reinforced in your course or ones that you're developing in your course that are related to their courses. Now keep in mind that knowledge and competencies can include theories that you're introducing or talking about in your course. It could include specific concepts or techniques or processes or even actual tools that you're using in your course that students may have had prior experiences with, or if they're going to have future experiences with, that they could be using the same types of tools so that they can see the transfer of the learning from one course to the next. It might even include developing a common vocabulary that they're learning about in previous courses that are being reinforced in your course and that are used again in future courses. That way, when students see something, they go, oh, I've seen that before. And now what's happening in your course is adding something new to it. This will give us multiple opportunities then in your course to be intentional in planning ways that we can build upon those prior experiences and to help students see the value of learning that knowledge and competencies because they'll see that that has direct connection to their future classes.